What's up, guys? How you doing today? This is Philly Dom. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, depends on wherever you're at in the world. I'm out here in Haiti at the hotel I'm staying at. I'll leave everything in the description, but I just wanted to let you see the room where I'm staying at, and the hotel I'm staying at is in Pétion-Ville, Haiti, which is one of the richest areas. How you guys doing today, man? It's early morning, so I'm out here doing this video, let you guys see what's going on. I'm by the pool area. Let you see everything, man. It's a nice little area, man. Definitely, I'll be staying here a lot at this place. Definitely, for sure. I was looking for that one place that I could feel comfortable with staying at in Haiti. And guess what? I found it. This is the place right here. It's a hotel, but it's more like a bed and breakfast. It's like somebody had a big house and then they changed it into bed and breakfast. Or some people might call it hotel. You come in, when you first come in, you come down there. They let you in through the gates right there. Walk up them steps. There's some rooms over there. Let you see what I can let you see. I stayed in a room all last night. This is the pool right here, as you can see. This is the pool. Let's walk around a little bit so you can see what's going on. Let me walk over this way, just to let you see. I ain't been over this way yet, but let me walk around and let you see it. Nobody. There's another little area over here. Oh, Sakwase. How you doing? Good, good, good. You know I do videos, so I'm just like, I'm vlogging right now, just let everybody see how nice the place is. Yeah. All right, yeah, I just stayed in the room all night. I didn't go do nothing and get up. I just stayed in the room all night. Oh, man, but I'm up now. Yeah, I had to work online. I worked online last night, so that worked out for me. The internet was good. It went good. It was no problem. Yeah. I was going to ask him, who do I call? Because I used the phone, but it was like, where with the... I was trying to get maybe some more towels. Yeah, yeah. Some towels. I need some more towels. I have towels, but I used them last night.
Yeah, you're going to get more towels.
Okay. Okay. And that's basically it. That's all I need. I'm waiting for some breakfast.
Okay, on the terrace over there, you know that, right?
I'll go over the terrace over there? Okay.
Yeah, so make sure that they go.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah, I'm just checking everything, letting everybody see how nice it is. What's the name of the place? Because I'll mess up the name. My Creole's not that good. Okay, I'm going to give you a card or something. Put it in the description. All right, I'll check it. Thank you.
All right, no problem, man. Enjoy.
All right. right here. I'll bring my son to Haiti one day. This is where we'll stay right here. This is you eat your breakfast. You eat it right here. So you eat your breakfast right here. It's real cozy and laid back. So you would like a female or your wife or your kids, and you just wanted something that was a chill Haitian vibe. Definitely this will be it. So area right here. Kitchen area right here. Let you see everything. We're walking up the steps. Let me walk up these steps. I don't even know what's here, but I'm gonna walk it up just to let you see. I don't even know what's here. So we'll walk up here. Cause my room is over this way, down that path right here. I think it's a parking lot. Parking lot area, yep. As I expected. Parking lot area right there, let you see it. And a little truck right here. Walk around, let you see it real quick. I'm up here already. Then we'll make our way to the room, guys. This is Haiti. There's another spot over here, as you can see. Part of the courtyard. All right, let's make our way to the room. Put this back this way, my fault, guys. Oh, nice, beautiful house right here. Or apartments, or a house. Another nice space over here as well. So if I had a car, I would come up this hill and I'll bring my car right through here. Let's walk down the step. Never came down this way before, but we'll figure it out. One more rooms at the spot. Nice little cozy little spot. One of these spots I used to chill when I was living in Boca Raton, Florida. The same type of feel. Okay. Now you're gonna hit my room. Show you where I'm staying at. It's the mirror so you can see fill it down. That's me. Hey guys, I'm in the mirror right quick. Boom, you see me. That's me right there. Fill it down. And this room right here. Boom. Use my keys for the first time. Get ready. Spot with your bull. Fill it down to stand at. Now they ain't touch up the room or nothing yet. But here it goes. Coming in up one iPad charging right there. The TV. This is the name of the hotel right here. But I'm gonna give you all the information. This is it right here. That's the name of the hotel right there. Chair they got in the hotel right there. Bam, bam, bam. And the bed and breakfast. They have AC. Old school AC with AC right there. comes out. Let me, matter of fact, let me turn it up and make it hot. Here we go. Shower area right here, as you can see. Laptop right there. Refrigerator, little small mini fridge. This is what I have in there. Got some guests coming over in a little bit. That right there. Book bag. Other little things that I have in the room. Waiting for some family to come over here. I didn't take that much with me. The room is very cheap at $50 a night. It's your boy Philly Dom again. Think right here. Everything's up to date, man. It's like being in the States, so man. That's where I stayed at last night. There you go. The bathroom window. And that's about it, man. It's just let you get one big swing of the room real quick. Let me close the door on you. My fault, guys. Hold on for a second. Cut this light off. This is a room in a nutshell. It's cozy and it's comfortable and everything, guys. What more can I say? I can't complain. You're rocking out with Philly Dom, so let me go back out in the hallway real quick. Got a safe outside, that's interesting. Got a whole safe out there, that's interesting. A swing set out here. Alright, let's take one more view of like the balcony area. And man, that'll be the end of the video, man. And the area I'm in is called Pétion-Ville, which is one of the richest areas in Haiti. Watch my steps so I won't fall. And I'm just, guys, sharing Haiti to the world right now. On the balcony to be like a little water fountain there, but this is it. This is where Philly Dom is staying in Haiti. This is where Philly Dom is staying in Haiti. More videos to come from Philly Dom. Once again, please like and subscribe to my channel. And please give these videos a like. If you want any information, I'll let you know. Take care and peace out from Port-au-Prince, Haiti, aka Pétion-Ville.